Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvet Locks with another Detox video for you today. In this video, we're going to be making a fat burning drink, okay? This is a detox drink. And if you want to lose weight fast and get rid of that lumpy deposit under your skin, as well as the fat cells throughout your body, this drink is going to do it for you. It's going to help improve your blood circulation. It's going to burn that excess fat, detoxify and remove the toxins from the body, reducing more fat forming, okay? It's also going to help metabolize the sugar in your blood. It's going to reduce the collagen to firm up your skin. It's going to reduce fluid retention, which is also the contribution of formation of cellulite, all right? So this drink is going to do it all with just a few simple ingredients. Now you're going to need a blender, that's number one, and in this drink you're going to need 3 green apples, either green apples, yellow apples, preferably the green ones because they contain less sugar in them, all right? So you're going to need 3 apples. You're also going to need 1 cucumber, and being that this is not an organic cucumber, of course you know why, I skinned it, all right, to get all of that waxy stuff off the outside. You're also going to need either kale or spinach. So I'm using my spinach today, and this recipe requires a handful of spinach, and that's my washed spinach over there on the side. Now I'm also going to need 1/4 of a lemon, as well as half a piece of ginger root. So I would say, you know, a nice little piece of ginger root is fine. And that's it. That's all you're going to need. So let's start with blending this right away. Now, you're going to cut up your cucumbers, you know, as small as possible so you can get it in the rotating blades. Make it much easier to blend. Okay. Alright, let's throw our piece of ginger in there as well. And our handful of spinach. Just throwing everything in there. Now we're not going to use the rind of our lemon, so you're just going to cut that off, and you're just going to use the inner part of your lemon. So just de-skin that, cut out the actual meaty part of the lemon. Alright, pop that in there. And we're going to get our apples ready. Now I got my apple decorer right here, or apple slicer. And this is just going to make it a whole lot easier to get it through the blades. Okay. Throw our apples in there. And we're going to also put in a little bit of water. Alright, just a little bit of water to loosen up the blades. And you're going to blend this all the way until it's nice and smooth. Alrighty, and that's it. You blend it up nicely until it's a nice smooth texture. And remember now, just to be mindful, it's going to be very thick. Okay, it's really going to be thick. So just be mindful of that, alright? But here it is, your fat burning smoothie. It tastes very good. Now what I did was I also included some coconut water just for a little more flavor than just regular water. and it really gave it a nice flavor, you guys. So here it is, you guys, your fat burning smoothie. This is going to do it for your body. It's going to remove toxins. It's going to metabolize your blood sugar. It's going to reduce the fluid retention in your body, which means it's going to extract the extra water in your body, resulting in you not holding on to it, which means weight loss. So just remember to drink lots of water throughout the day to help with the flushing out of the toxins. But this is it, you guys. It's very thick. Just know that much. It's very filling, full of fiber, full of nutrients. Okay? It's going to do it for your body. So don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know how you enjoyed this drink. It's very flavorful. I mean, this can also be a meal replacement. You drink it throughout the day. You can drink it in the morning. You can also drink it as a meal replacement for lunch or dinner. But this is going to do it, all right? So thank you again for joining me. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video if you want to see more wonderful Detox videos. And until the next one, I will see you then.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.